Hi everyone, so my BTS albums came and although they're a little bit damaged on the corners, I'm so excited to unbox it. So I have version 3 right here and version 2. Luckily for Amazon, they gave me different versions even though it came in one package. So let's open version 2 first. Okay, so something dropped in the packaging. It's this map of the Seoul 7 Soundcheck sweepstakes. So I'm guessing this is a QR code to win Soundcheck. So since I won't be using these, I might just scratch them off in the end. So here's the front for version 2. And here's the back. So when you open it up, you first see the CD and then you see the poster. The poster is pretty big compared to last time. And you get the photo card. So the photo card I got was Namjoon. And here are the notes. So go ahead and pause the video if you want to read them. Of course, they're all in Korean, so I think there might be a translation on Twitter, so I'm not entirely sure. And you get this little cute postcard with all the signatures, all the member signatures on here. And then you get the big hit advertisement. And then the stickers. Oh, they're so cute. Also a coloring sheet. And I believe this is the lyric book. Yep. So, of all the tracks. And here is the photo book. So there's a sticker on here, so I recommend you guys to just slide it out. That way you don't have to like ruin this part. So photo book is really thin. It's actually the first time I've seen a group do this kind of sort of newspaper poster photo book. The coloring is still very high quality. So none of the photos are stapled in. So they come off completely. So I know some of you guys might like to stick these on your wall as posters. I really like this concept. It's very dark, but also has like this aesthetic that a lot of you guys might like. This really has like fallen angel vibes. I really like it. So everybody in this comeback is like killing it, I swear. And that's the end of this photo book. So to recap, I'll put this away later, but I got Namjoon's photo card in here. So I'm going to unbox the other one. Next we have version 3. Let's get to opening. Also, it came with the same thing, Soundcheck. So version 3. So you get the CD, and then the poster. Oh, I don't see the photo card. Usually it's in front. Okay. If it doesn't come with the photo card, I'm going to cry. So here is the poster. So you get the advertisements, like I said. Oh, some of the coloring pages are bent. Okay. Ugh. So coloring page here, and I got a group card. Okay. So right here. This concept is really classy. Oh, also the photo card is matte finished. So my video got cut off because I ran out of space. As promised, I'm going to scratch these off and you guys could just use these because I won't be using them. Right here. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.